In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to test select dropdowns with UIlicious. UIlicious is an online tool for testing your website across browsers. For this tutorial, we are going to be testing the SPCA Singapore shop. On this page here, we have a t-shirt, Be Kind to Animals, in a variety of color and sizes. Here's a drop down for us to pick the color, and another select drop down for us to pick the size. Now let's go ahead and start writing a test for this website. We go to snippet.uilicious.com, and then let's start with going to the URL using the iGoTo command. Then what we want to do is to select the shirt color. So let's use the iSelect command and pick the color. Let's get a blue shirt, and then let's pick the size of the shirt. Let's get a large size t-shirt. And finally, let's add that to the cart. Add to cart. Okay, now let's run this test. Okay, so now we have a blue large t-shirt in the cart. Yeah, that's it.